how to convert your photo into a pencil sketch in just one click. I'm Gogi from How to Do It, and today we're gonna talk about that how we can easily convert our image into a painting or a drawing. If you want to show off on the internet or want to post our photos painting on internet, we can do so. And if you want to practice for the drawing, if we have a drawing, then we can easily copy that so that we can practice also. So how you can do so? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Let's begin the video and learn how to convert your image into a painting, as you can check out in front of you. First of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the internet browser on your laptop, computer or mobile. You can do it on mobile, so don't worry. Go to ChatGPT, go to image, or otherwise you can just select an image and you can just ask to convert it to a pencil sketch. But I'm going to give you a genuine way to convert. You have to go to the images option, and after that go to this sketch option, and after sketch option you have to choose a file and it will start working. And in no time, yes, it will take a little bit of time, and after that it will convert your painting into a real-time sketch. You can check out, this one is looking very similar to my image, and it's a sketch of that photo to this one. And hope you like this video and understood that how you can convert like this. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.